I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. We're on a new Harris pontoon boat. This is a 230 Sunliner. There's lots of room in this boat. This is a great boat for taking the whole family and another family out too. Boat's rated for 12 people. Just look at all the seating that's on this boat and how comfortable this is. So you can see up in the bow of the boat, you've got two big seats, port and starboard. Of course, they always have lots of drink holders on them. We've got a boarding gate on the port side of the boat. This is one of my favorite parts of this boat is the super comfortable captain's chairs on the port and starboard side. Armrests that flip up and down. I love those. And then you've got an additional reversible seat in the stern of the boat. And then real quick, take a look at the helm on here. You've got the Simrad multifunction display on the dash, so you've got your GPS on there, your depth finder, you've got tilt steering wheel, you've got a charger for your phone, again, lots of drink holders. Harris is a fantastic pontoon boat, much better quality than what you see out there with some of our competitors. Come by and take a look at it at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach.